This video is Jurassic World or Jurassic Park video, and now I want to show you how to replace uh, dinosaur into cat. And this is the cute cat video in chroma key. So let's start. First, select this scene and go to composition, go to save frame as Photoshop layer, and next save. You must go to Adobe Photoshop and click on open, go to desktop, select PSD file. Now you must erase this area of the footage. It's very important to erase clearly. Take a look, guys. Go to filter and click on vanishing point, and now one click, two, and there is another click, and now I need to move like this. Take a look. When you select, you need to move or set the corner points, and now you can erase very easily like this. Select the clone, hold Alt key here, or Alt key, click here, and paint like this. Take a look. This is the first step, and the next way, go to select spot healing brush, change the cursor size, and erase like this. Not bad. Go back to file and click on save. Minimize and go to Adobe After Effects. Double click, go to desktop and select the PSD file. Click OK. And now right click here, go to time freeze frame. Put the PSD file top of the footage, and now here you can see there is nothing movement. So guys, I need to add the cute cat image. Oh, sorry, the footage. Click on effects and presets right here, key light. Apply the key light and remove the green chroma key, and now move the cute cat right there, and you can mask. Select, press S, scale down the size and make mask like this. So press M to make a little bit feather, then click on add, change to subtract. So and now you can control like this and apply matte choker effect. Apply on footage. Now you can see that all extra colors are removed, and you can control by controlling the matte choker rate from here. So if you need to, you can remove it. So select, set here, press and delete the mask like this, and you can use another way. Select the pen tool, take a look, the cat ears, select mask, press MM and make subtract, make little bit feather like this. And now time to move the cat behind of the car. How to do this? Take a look, turn off the footage and right click, create a new solid, and right here, mask. Click OK and turn off the solid. Just select the layer and select the pen tool, zoom in, take a look. I need to mask this part of the car. So turn on again and select the footage of the cat and make track matte to mask and invert. So double M, press M and make little bit feather like this, just little bit, 2 or 3. And now you can see the result is like this. So now time to color grade the cat footage. Select, apply, scene, converter, double click, change to look and make a little bit darker. Control the brightness, contrast like this. Don't forget, right tint effect, double click, make the saturation a little bit, saturate like this, 36%, and apply curve effect, double click. So control the curve effect and control the red color to make green color grade fit again. So play now, not bad. So I need to use or apply the light to look more realistic. Select a new solid and right here, lux. Enter, go to effect, go to trap code, select lux and turn off, create a new light. Select spotlight, select the color light red or yellow. Click OK, OK, and move the light here and make rotate like this and move again the light to the light of car. Turn on the lux and select lux effect, go to spotlight and control like this. So and now you can see the result is like this. So if you need to make camera movement to looks live action footage, you must select all of them, right click, make a pre-compose, and right here, final footage. Enter, go back to effect, and use Red Giant Universe Camera Shake. So go to Camera Shake amount to make 10. Play once. change the shake amount to 30 and double click control the cat scale, make a little bit bigger and move it up here and go back to your final code. Change to 10, change to 5, Control Z. Let's say change the footage size more smaller like this. So let's see, cat is height here. Let's see there and make more smaller and set right there. Let's see, everything is looking good. And don't forget, select the footage, press M for mask and select the mask, delete and apply another new mask like this. Like this and press MMM to make feather a little bit, and let's control again. Select the mask, press V, control the mask like this. Just use mask to here to see the face better, and control behind, and let's move and play. Everything is okay. Okay, so let's go back to final count and press space to play. Here you can see camera shake 2 and change the size percentage of the camera shake and apply the leaves fall. Apply here, delete, double click, apply the leaves fall to here, and take a look, there is the leaves fall. So use the key light here too, like this. So use the matte choker on this one. Let's see, play again the footage. Let's use another effect on light. Select the spotlight, press T for intensity, hold Alt key, click here, light expression, wiggle, bracket, write 30, color, write 65. And now play. You can see the light damage flash. Okay, guys, this was about object replacement in live action footage by After Effects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.